What's going on, Mark?
What's going on there, sir? How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. This is a rig, man.
Yeah, my latest new toy, the AEM Dash. Check that out. Isn't that pretty saucy? Got rid of the stock dash, put that in, and check this out. Does the belt temperature up there on the top left. You can push this guy right here and get to all sorts of different screens depending what you want to do. A lot of information there. Back to the home screen there.
Jesus. Big dog.
Well, you know, I got to cover everything. That was probably the only thing left that I didn't change on this thing. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Mark Schleifer. I'm actually the regional sales manager at Rockford Fosgate on the power sports side / UTV. So I handle all the audio products for Rockford on the UTV side specifically. This is actually my personal car. Wanted the guys from UTV Source to come out. Got a great relationship with Rick, known him for several years. Wanted to come out and kind of show you the car. And all the different products that are actually on this car. There's actually a ton of stuff from Raceline, wheels, Canati tires. We've got the PRP seats, Assault mirrors. A lot of Geyser products on this car. Rugged radios, Savage UTV products. Just so many different products on this car that's really made it stand out. This car was actually built by a good friend of mine, Todd Douglas, over at Team DWO Racing. Great guy. He helped me put this together. It's kind of my vision. I come up with the visions. He kind of puts everything together. It's just a phenomenal car. And then of course, with me working for Rockford Fosgate, definitely couldn't have a car like this without a Stage 5 kit. So it's definitely got some really killer tunes in here, and just really excited to be able to show the car to everybody out there. The suspension, HCR suspension, KC lights on it, just so many things on this car that really made this car come together. Of course, as we all can see, it started out with a 2018 Can-Am Max turbo, of course. Got to have the turbo.
Yeah.
Turbo, 72 inches wide, of course. Got to have that. And you know, things kind of went crazy from there. So everything. I don't think there's any part of this car that hasn't been touched, from the KC lights to the HCR suspension, Raceline wheels, the new 35-inch TerraMaster Canati tires. These things are just brutal. These are just awesome tires. I love them.
The asymmetrical. Yeah, I run these.
Absolutely love these tires.
Yeah, they're great tires.
Yep. So definitely wanted to do something different, and when they came out with those, definitely wanted to make sure we got those on the car right away. Of course, you know, you notice a lot of stuff right off the bat. You notice a lot of the Pro 6 product, the KC product, the Pro 6 bar up top, the lights up front, a lot of flex lights on here throughout the car, whether it's the 10-inch bar up front, and then all my rock lights. Believe it or not, I'm using singles, flex singles for all my rock lights. And then I've got one of their undercar kits on here too, the RGB kit. So have that going on as well. So, and then of course, a lot of stuff from Geyser, the folks at Geyser, you know, right around the corner from where I live. So definitely Greg and the guys over there have some awesome products. Their doors, I've got a lot of stuff on here. The doors, the grill, their cargo rack in the back, sway bar links, just all sorts of stuff from Geyser. Definitely nice stuff. And then a company that I came across, I saw some stuff they did online, which was, and I love carbon fiber, was all the carbon fiber trim work from Forworks. And it's not just, it's not hydro dipped, it's real carbon fiber. So I've got a ton of stuff on here, from you know, the front hood to the rear cowl on it, to a lot of the different trim pieces, the glove box cover, center console, all the way down to the back, all carbon fiber. Definitely some awesome stuff from those guys.
It's put together really well. Like I was noticing, you know, again, the PRP XC model seats, the auto buckle, 4.2 harnesses. You got the rugged radios, buggy whips are up there. Those are the little stubbies. Those are what, 2 foot?
Yeah, I had some 2-footers made, so when I'm just kind of, you know, bombing around,
Cool.
not out at the dunes.
Yeah.
Got my 4-footers when I'm at the dunes.
There you go.
Yep.
You got a lot of bags in here. You've got the overhead PRP storage bags, all the knee knocker bags from PRP.
Gotta have the storage. I mean, when you're out there bombing around, especially when you're out with friends, you know, family, you know, gotta have places to put stuff, you know, whatever.
You got a lot.
yeah, there's definitely a lot of stuff. Got a really killer setup here that we're really happy with.
Well, I want to get into the stereo side of things because I think that's what I want to get educated on. I'm sure our customers would like to know a little bit more about Rockford Fosgates and the systems, and more importantly, what's in this car.
Gotcha.
So if you can, let's get in there and maybe break it down a little bit for us.
Definitely, without a doubt. I can tell you straight up, this is our Stage 5 kit, which is our #1 selling kit that we sell today. It is 100% plug and play, and when I say 100% plug and play, everything actually just plugs together in this kit. No modification of the car whatsoever. Really easy to install, and it sounds awesome. We have a 5-channel amp in here, a TM 1000X5 that's producing over 1,000 watts of power. We've got 2 10-inch subwoofers in here, 4 6.5s, custom dash panels designed specifically for our speakers and for the X3. Same thing with the subwoofer enclosures. We have a 10-inch under the driver's seat, another 10-inch underneath the passenger seat. We've got our mini cans in the back. Again, 6.5-inch. Keep in mind, this is what we like to call our element ready product. This is designed for the outdoors. It's designed to get wet, dirt, mud, whatever you're going to throw at it, snow. It is designed to be outdoors. So
this is the banger. This is Stage 5.
This is the banger. This is the kit that everybody wants. If they you know, if they've got a Razor, if they've got an X3, you know, this is the one that everybody wants. It is the Mac Daddy.
Well, let's turn it on. Let's see it.
Yeah, let's do it. And if you set it up correctly, if you use our tuning sheets, go 100% off that tuning sheet, you know, you'll be able to run this. I run this at full volume all the time and have no problem. Definitely banging. You know, and that's the other thing too.
God.
The amplifier is designed to be very efficient and producing a lot of power.
Yeah.
It works with your stock charging system. You know, all I did on this car, because of all the other different accessories on here, I added a larger battery.
Right.
But there's only one battery in this car. It bangs, man.
Oh, so I'm just gonna say, if you have a 2-seater and you have a 4-seater, I'm just gonna go out and say it. The 4-seater is gonna bang a lot harder. There's more equipment, right?
No. Actually, it's the same equipment. It's just a shorter car. You know, less 2 seats. It's the same kit.
Holy.
Same kit. Yep.
Bro, this thing's loud. Like, I've got a really nice Raptor, and the stereo sucks compared to this side-by-sides.
I have to tell you,
stereos in our.
I have to tell you, I love my job. Been doing this for over 25 years. So it is a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Legit. And then maybe, you know, I don't know if they want to get into this, but I know that Rockford Fosgate now, you have with the XP Pro on Polaris, on the Ultimate package, comes equipped with Rockford Fosgate. Correct?
It does come equipped with Rockford Fosgate through Polaris. That's
through Polaris.
an OEM system.
Correct.
That is correct. Yep.
You can't get that through Rockford, not even as an add-on. Correct.
That is correct. You have to go through
OEM.
OEM only. That is through.
I had to ask because I knew that, but not everyone knows that, so it's nice to hear that I wasn't wrong. So if you're looking for a Pro XP and you want the Rockford system in it, you better get the Big Daddy one.
Yep.
Or else you're gonna have to settle for this banger, which is not really settling at all. I'm gonna say this too. The Stage 5 kit, this is the Mac Daddy kit. This is the big boy kit. Now, if you buy a Pro XP, can you add another kit into it yet?
No.
So there is no available Rockford Fosgate kit yet.
No, everything
all
for that
OEM.
car is OEM through Polaris.
Will there ever be a kit?
As of today, no.
Okay. Car's rad, right? I'm sure you've seen it at a lot of the events and a lot of the shows. They do have it there. Mark's always good enough to take it to the events and play the radio and talk to you about anything and everything Rockford Fosgate. When we have questions that you're asking, we call this guy too, because we don't know everything, and they release a lot of new stuff all the time. Correct. So Mark keeps us current.
Yep.
So we can keep you current. This car's rad, Mark. I really
you.
appreciate you taking the time. Let me come out here today. Looks rad, right? We're lucky enough these are street legal here in Arizona, so.
Yeah, oh yeah. So like for me, I bomb right down the road and hit the trails. I'm 5-10 minutes away from the trails.
Legit. So, guys, thanks for tuning in. Continue to follow us on YouTube, on Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe. Get on our email list. Mark, tell them. Get on the email list.
Get on the email list.
That's where all the bangers happen.
Yep.
I tell you. And guys, tune in. Thanks again, Mark. Beautiful car. I'm not going to keep them too much longer. It's Friday night.
Time to go hit the town.
And he's going to bomb out in that. So, thanks again, Mark.
You're very welcome.
We'll see you guys next time.